So we're here now at the Victoria Park in Causeway Bay for the Lunar New Year Fair. So to those who are wondering, Lunar New Year is also known as the Chinese New Year because the Chinese follows the lunar calendar. That's why it's the Lunar New Year and the Chinese New Year is actually the same. So we're here now looking at the fair. Today is the first day of the fair. Kaya if you can see here, maraming mga stalls na hindi pa bukas eh. And I have a feeling this fair is all throughout the week because the Lunar New Year is on the 28th. Today it's the 23rd, so yun na, 1 week to. Because they celebrated 28 as 29. 28 is what we consider as the Chinese Christmas, as 29 is the Chinese New Year. So we welcome it on the eve of 28. So let's go around, let's look what's here. Oh my God. Nakaka-tryptophobia naman tong mga balloon mascot nila. Holy. If you have tryptophobia, huwag ka lalapit dito. Ayan, tira mo. See the snake. Tapos yung mascot. Sinusuot to ng tao eh. Pero kanina nung we walked by, I saw someone walking around wearing it eh. Ang dami pang sarado. But I have a feeling kasi this fair is going to be something that is really going to be good after work hours. Sa gabi talaga tong fair na to. So, may mga whatever goods. Ito, shower head na eh. And then we see a lot of these kids. So there's a lot of toys within the area. Parang yung ano eh, this is similar to Hong Kong when I was growing up. Yung mga maraming buting-ting around sa street, mga street vendors. Well, I guess they're now here in the fair. Okay. Oh, sino gustong labubu? Labubu balloons. Chinese New Year decors. Ang haba nito, laki nito ah. Candied onion. Okay.
It says, ayan, ayan.
Okay.
Ayan na, wanna do this.
唔使問我幾多錢㗎啦，呢個係10蚊，記住呢個10蚊啊，記住唔使問啦，呢個係10蚊。
Sugar scallion. Picture mo na lang, pakita mo na lang kay Mami.
因為出邊有晒寫晒嘅，全部寫晒嘅呢個。
Kain to buo o may binabalat pa?
Wala, kain.
Ayan o. Parang siyang ano eh.
Nakabalot.
Parang lumpia wrapper.
Yeah, you just use it.
Lumpia wrapper nga. Maalat-alat yung konti yung balat. Mas matamis yung gitna. Ang tamis.
Kami?
Oo.
Sugar din.
Ang tamis.
Those can be bars.
Parang may coconut. Parang may coconut. Nougats. Different flavor nougats.
好多計平係㗎啦，點解要揾呢個？
Mahjong tiles.
港產片啊，安中常
Seven Head,
中年男嘅都有，你望下。
The West Face.
係啊，你望下。最尾嗰邊第四行最尾嗰邊有啲大癲啊
Antipay.
部署啊，見唔見到個71 logo 啊？
係啊，
我改咗㗎，你望真
Mga
啲。
comedy eh.
Ano?
Seven Head, The West Face, Antipay.
全部自己做㗎，我哋。
Ano? Dito muna.
Kaya nga, tapos snake tayo. Yung isang row, puro bulaklak eh.
Aygo.
Hindi ko nagustuhan.
Pero masarap naman. Sweet.
Sa anong lasa?
Matamis.
Matamis yan. May nyog eh.
Ay, hindi ko alam.
May nyog eh.
Sabi scallion, candied scallion.
I don't think it's scallion eh.
Nakalagay eh, di ba?
Hindi, sa tingin ko mali yung translation eh. Pabasa mo kay ma'am.
Ay, I didn't take a photo ng ano eh.
I feel it's coconut sugar eh. Candied fruit. Ayan oh, meron ulit dito. Picturean mo nga.
Mas mura doon, oh. Mas mura doon.
Oo, 15 dito eh.
Chop ko lang doon.
Uy, plastic balloon.
Kanina may mga cute na ganyan.
Yung snake.
Hindi, bata yung ano.
We are now at the end of the Victoria Park. Tapos snake, it's a snake mo. Kaya tinan mo, itong way, yung yellow sign is going that way. Tapos pabalik, kaya nga no entry yung red kasi lakad ko pag ano naman.
125. 125.
Bumili ako ng ganyan. Nakwento ko ba sa iyo yun?
Oo, pinagalitan ka.
Pinagalitan ako ni Ama. Oo, ang cute. Ganito kalaki yung binili ko dati. Cute oh. Susuotin ni Achi yan. Ito oh. Bumili ako nito dati. Pinagawan ko pa ng ano eh.
Para wala na yan eh. Ito lang tapusin natin tapos.
No, let's walk na. Kasi I'm making din naman a video. Yun kasi bulaklak na yun eh. Yan, tikim-tikim na tayo. Ano kasunod?
Dito 12. Ito parang
Ito. Kuha ka.
parang masarap.
Sige.
Wait lang.
Iba-ibang flavor eh.
Mango, banana. So we get one each.
Oh, kasi yan, 20 apat. Ah. Mochi yan feeling ko eh.
Yes. Ikaw na.
Mango, banana. So, dalawa-dalawa. Yangko. Dalawa-dalawa para 20. Bianco. 有了。完了。好，谢谢。
Lolokohin ka pa na hindi ka nagbayad.
Buti na lang, may video ko.
So, this year,
I'm feeling ko it's mochi eh. Iisahan pa ako ah. Let's try it out.
Lambot.
I don't like
Ay,
it.
matabang.
Hindi naman, matamis na.
Oh, matabang ko na. Pinagat ako na.
Ine-expect ko maging mochi, hindi. It feels more... It's not as mochi or as glutinous as I was expecting it to be. Medyo, ang feeling ko, akala ko dapat tikoy. Hindi eh. Para siyang, hindi ko mag-gets yung texture. Basta, soft fluffy. May pagka-jelly-like pero hindi siya tulad ng mochi na chewy. Ito hindi siya chewy. So I had the mango flavor. Let me try the banana para tapos na. Excuse me, stop moving, please.
Oh, sorry.
I like the banana better. Ang lakas ng banana essence. Micro blocks. Mga fitness. Yung mga bus, baka nandyan din yung ano. Baka si ATM din to eh.
Could be.
Ha?
Walang pasok siguro. Punta na lang dito.
Yeah, holiday break na yata nila eh. I have a feeling. Di ba kaya yung mga ano, sa China, no more work? Kaya nga. Rosedale. That's where we are staying.
That's not the one across, ha? Kasi that's the
Oo nga.
Lepeti, eh.
That's the Le Petit Rosedale. Ours is that one, yung dark brown. Behind the building na may red sign, that's the Rosedale. Dalawa yung Rosedale. Ha? Buting-ting. Anik-anik. Merong ano. Ano yata eh? Yung sa door, nilalagay mo sa door? Hmm. Feeling ko para ako nasa entrep corner sa Manila. Puro yung mga small businesses ng mga students.
Asa? Uy, vintage, vintage. Ano? Ano yan?
Wala lang. Hindi ko rin alam.
Ayun oh.
Itong area na to, parang puro mga flowers na yun.
Tayo. Uy.
Kang mo. Dami stuff to eh.
Bulaklak kasi they made it for the
Decor. So these are all mostly flowers already.
Because they naglalagay sila. Actually tayo naglalagay tayo yung para may mga photo eh, di ba?
Oo.
Yung small ano.
Pero ano lang, just to add some color probably to the house during the Chinese New Year. Pero ang dami yung puro orchids eh. Are those real?
Maybe. Dami no?
Huh?
Kala ko mas maraming food. Nabudol na tayo ng 25.
Ha?
Nabudol na tayo ng 25 Hong Kong.
30 na.
Bakit? At 20, tama.
Wala, puro bulaklak, no? Half of the show or half of the fair is flowers. Kasi Shotty ang mahilig sa stickers eh. Boston.
Ha?
Boston. So this will probably be very good mamayang gabi. Mga food. Kasi yung mga oysters, scallops, seafoods na inihaw. Ganon din sa kabila, mga inihaw. So this is probably where you wanna be having dinner or yung mga paggabi. Pero meron ng iba bukas eh. So this is sugarcane. And then you have mga food, you have gyoza. Tapos yung pusit. Is this pusit? Yeah. Yung inihaw na pusit. Grilled na pusit. So, chicken wings, sausage, more sausage. Parang natatakam ako dun sa sausage. Holy stuffed chicken wings. Chao Long Bao. Tapos yung mga waffle.
一隻咁少，而家先食食餐。
Brand new yung mga gamit o nilinis lang. I'm not sure if this is small mandarin or kumquats eh. Diba? The kumquats. Tapos, this one, well, so you have this, which, small mandarins, I think these are called kumquats. But this one, what do they resemble? Do you know what they're called? Nipple fruit. Yeah, search it. Yun yung talagang tawag.
Ano daw?
Now I'm telling people. What do these things look like?
I don't know.
Really? You don't know what they look like? Do you know what they're called?
What?
Nipple fruit. Okay, so that's our coverage of the Victoria Park Lunar New Year Fair. Okay, I think this is good for 1 week. So yung mga hahabol ng Hong Kong.
Because of like
Until the 29th daw to. Nahabol na kayo. But I really suggest you come here in the evening. Feeling ko yun yung maraming activities dito. Ngayong daytime parang wala eh. Dead na dead eh.
and it's also the first day.
First day din kasi. Okay, bye. See you in Manila.